I attended the Vibe Coding event last week in London Business School. It was sponsored by Manus AI, and I'm still inspired and amazed by what we went down. The energy kicked in right from the moment the door opened. After a quick kickoff, we dove straight into forming our groups of 3, but we could also work solo if this was our style. It was a whole coffee-fueled chaos full of AI-based hacking, brainstorming, sharing ideas, and learning from each other. In 1.5 hours, I uploaded my project. Then I pitched the working MVP live. I'm not a developer, but AI, it doesn't care, it doesn't mind. It listened, built, iterated, improved, and brought my idea into life. Even without a tech background, just like me, you can research, build, and demo something meaningful in matters of hours. If you're curious what I have developed, I built an app that allows users to scan food and beverage barcodes and instantly assess their healthiness. And then the app categorizes the scanned products into 3 categories. First category being green, which means very healthy. Second category, orange, meaning moderately healthy. And third category, red, unhealthy. I wanted the app to display all the ingredients of the scanned product and immediately highlight the specific ingredient that caused the problem. Then provide the healthier alternatives for that specific product. This is the exact prompt I entered into Manus. Build a web and mobile app that allows users scan the food and beverage barcodes in retail stores and instantly assess their healthiness. In the prompt, I also listed the core features I want the product to have. And I asked Manus these: allow filtering by dietary preference, include brief explanation or health tip per product, and ensure the UI is simple, user-friendly, and very easy to navigate. If you want to check the whole prompt yourself and the whole project, here is the link that Manus shared with me, and you can find it also in the descriptions. Having said that, I want to be realistic. Okay, it's not perfect. And it's far from being perfect. I can upload only the photos of the barcodes, and I cannot scan the barcodes live from the camera because I couldn't figure out the device permission, camera permission. Also, it doesn't work on mobile either, so you have to check the link on your laptop or desktop. I also need to share that in the first try, the app was not working at all. And Manus fellows suggested me to ask this to Manus to correct the broken parts. So I entered another prompt. I wanted Manus to test all the use cases, find out all the bugs that are in the app, improve all of them, and redeploy. In the second iteration, I was able to upload the product image and get some results. And I'm sure if I go over a couple of more iterations, I'll get closer and closer to what's on my mind. The point is that a non-developer like me was able to make her idea come to life from start to end without writing even one single line of code. And this also covers the deployment part, and it takes only a couple of hours. Let me also share a couple of things about what Manus is. The name comes from MIT's motto, Mens et Manus, meaning minds and hands. That's exactly what Manus does. Bring your ideas to life by combining thinking and doing it in a seamless agent. It is the first general AI agent that doesn't only suggest, but also execute. It plans, codes, navigates, and delivers the full outcomes across personal and business needs. I also tested running some SEO analysis for some of my clients, and you can find the link to that video on the top right corner if you're interested. There are 2 major launches, which is extremely exciting for me. First of them is Manus Slides. I just started experimenting with it, and I like the structure. The other big launch was Manus Videos, which was literally launched a couple of days ago. I haven't tested it yet because it's so soon, but I'm so curious about the outcomes because it will be so good to be able to complete all my tasks in one single AI agent. Yeah, that was it from my vibe coding experience. And whether you are a founder, strategist, someone who is just AI curious, I strongly suggest you get your hands dirty and try some stuff yourself. If you've got an idea, just give it a shot. Seriously, you may never know what just 1 hour can do with the help of some AI magic. I'm very interested in hearing your thoughts. What exactly you want to build with AI? I'll try my best to help you and support you in your AI journey. And let's connect if you are building something in this space or just exploring vertical agents. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next ones.
From chaos and coffee, an app came alive. With barcodes and colors, it started to thrive. No coding, no clue, just typed what I meant, and AI turned prompts into full-on intent. Permissions were broken, but spirits were high. We pitched and we laughed, gave Manus a try. It's magic, it's messy, but wow, what a ride. Just one wild hour, and dreams came to life.